Hello, today I invite you to make muffins with raspberries. As always, I encourage you at the beginning to subscribe to my channel. Click the bell so you will stay updated with my recipes. I'm presenting a list of necessary ingredients, the same list you will find in the description under the video. Under the video, I also add a link to my blog where you will find all my recipes. We need 2 eggs, a glass of buttermilk, yogurt, or natural kefir. Remember, all the ingredients should be at room temperature. Next, we add zest grated from half a lemon and 120 g of melted and cooled butter. You can also use oil instead of butter. Add half a glass of sugar. I am using glasses with a capacity of 250 milliliters. Remember also to mix this all briefly so that we don't make a mess later. Then we sift. We add 2 glasses of wheat flour, a teaspoon of soda and a teaspoon of powder, then mix everything together until combine the ingredients and mix briefly. The batter doesn't need to be uniform. It's important the flour isn't visible. I have already mixed the batter. Now add 300 g of fresh raspberries and mix everything together. Gently stir everything with a spatula, then put it into cupcake papers. From the given amount you get 12 large muffins. Now preheat the oven to 170 degrees, bake for about 25 minutes or until what they say, until a dry stick, ice them once they're done. For the icing, I used half a cup of powdered sugar and a tablespoon of lemon juice, about a tablespoon of water, and mix everything together until you get the right consistency and then pour it over the muffins. As you can see, they look delicious, taste even better. You should definitely make them. I invite you to watch my next ones. Warm regards.